How to fix detoured.dll missing or not found error in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might get this error message when running Steam. This is a GPU related issue. Follow the steps to fix it. First of all, uninstall Steam. For this, right click on Start, select Installed Apps. In the search box, type Steam. Here is Steam. For this application, click on three dots and select Uninstall. Here click on Uninstall, close. After the uninstallation, run DDU or AMD Cleaner. Go to Device Manager first, right click on Start, select Device Manager, find Display Adapters and expand it. Here is graphics card. On my computer, AMD Radeon graphics card is installed. On your computer, Nvidia graphics card might be installed. If Nvidia is installed, then run DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller. If AMD Radeon is installed, then run AMD Cleaner. Let's see both the processes. For Nvidia, launch a browser, type DDU, select this option, click on this link, click on this button to download the mirror. Let the download complete. Go to the folder icon and click on extract all. Extract. Right click on this exe file and select open. Click on extract. Open this folder and open display driver uninstaller.exe. Here select device type. Click on GPU and select the graphics card. Mine is AMD, so it is automatically selected. On your computer, select Nvidia, then click on Clean and Restart. The graphics card's leftovers and remnants will be uninstalled, including the graphics card driver itself. After restarting the computer, install the Nvidia graphics driver. For this, open a browser and type Nvidia, press enter, click on this link, select the category, series, Windows version, select on your preference of your device and click on find. Here, click on view, click on download. After downloading, click on the exe file of the graphics driver and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If you have AMD driver, then download AMD Cleanup utility. For this, type AMD Cleaner utility in the search bar or type AMD and select AMD Cleanup utility. Click on this link. Click on this link to download the utility. After downloading, click on this exe file. The utility will boot the system into safe mode. So click on yes and follow the on-screen instructions. Run the utility back to the normal mode and try to install the latest AMD driver. To find the latest AMD driver, type AMD driver download in the browser, press enter, click on this link, click on this link, click on the downloaded file from here. The software will trace whether the latest version of AMD driver is available or not. For me, it is available. If available on your computer, click on accept and install. And also install chipset driver from here. If the issue still occurs, you will have to update BIOS. To update BIOS, first of all, turn off BitLocker encryption. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click on Device Encryption, and turn off this setting if it is turned on. It will take some time in decrypting the files under the drives. After decryption, go to the browser and go to the manufacturer website, whether it is Lenovo or HP or Asus or any other. Go to the manufacturer website, enter the model number of your laptop or computer, and find the BIOS. If any newer version is available, download it from the website and install it. The issue should be fixed now. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.